Zhengzhou Huaer Electro-Optics Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of portable dental units, dental handpieces, dental impression putty, teeth whitening, and other oral care products. After 13 years' efforts and development, now we have become the leading oral care products manufacturer and supplier in China. Our factory is more than 3,600 square meters with 200 employees, and we implement ISO 13485 strictly. All of our products are in accordance with medical CE and could be tracked back. In addition, we also have obtained CE, FDA, TUV, and ISO 13485 certifications. And our portable dental unit is self-contained with basic function and instruments as a dental unit. Its unique features in portable, low noise, and powerful high-volume suction, which is widely used in mobile dentistry, veterinary, hospital, army, beauty center. Our products have been exported to more than 80 countries and regions all over the world, such as the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, Korea, and Japan. Besides, OEM and customized orders are both available. For over 13 years, Huaer takes the principle of fidelity management and technology innovation. We are committed to offering customer the most efficient portable dental unit and rich variety of oral care products. We happily welcome partners from across the globe with our friendly and professional support team.